again. We're going to start by recapping all of our set 3 sounds that you've learnt so far, and then we're going to be learning one more set 3 sound for this week, and that will be it for the week. Okay, are you ready? Do you remember this sound from yesterday? This is the sound you learnt yesterday. That's right, it's the or sound. I say, you say, or. Or. Lovely. Do you remember the rhyme that went with it? That's it. Yawn at dawn. Yawn at dawn. Well remembered. New sound today is a trigraph, which means there are 3 letters making one sound. It's a trigraph, and our trigraph is air. I say, you say. Air, air, air. Air, air, air. Fantastic. And the letters, the 3 letters we've got making that one air sound are the letter A, R, and E. And so they come together to make our air sound. Okay, let's turn over, have a little look at the rhyme. So the rhyme to go with our air sound is care and share. Care and share. Well done. Because in this picture, there's a little family. I think they are caring and sharing for each other because they are sharing their food on a picnic. Let's pop our new sound here. And we need that pen or pencil. Get it ready because we're going to be writing our new sound. Now remember, we're not going to have those gaps. We need to join up the letters. So have a look at how I do it. Go all the way to the top. Do our A first. Join to our R, E. That makes our air sound. You have a go. A, R, E. Air. One more time. Lovely writing, well done. Pop the pencil or pen away for now because we're going to have a go at, that's right, we're going to have a go at Fred talking some green words with our new air sound in. My turn, then we'll do it together and then you can have a go by yourself. Can we see that word there? Fantastic. Listen carefully. K, air, care. Let's do it together. K, air, care. Your turn. Care. Well done. Next green word. My turn. D, air, dare. Together. D, air, dare. And your turn by yourself. Dare. Fantastic. What should we go for next? Oh, let's go for this one. A bit trickier. Can we see that one there? Lovely. My turn first. Air, square. Let's do it together. Air, square. Your turn. Square. Well done. And last one, we're going to Fred talk. Let's go for this one. Can we see that one there? Can we see it? Okay, fantastic. My turn. Sh, air, share. Let's do it together. Sh, air, share. Your turn. Share. Fantastic. Really impressed with your reading today. Okay, now we need to nod those sounds out. So we're not going to be Fred talking it, we're going to be sounding out in our head, and then we'll read the whole word when I push it forwards. Let's give them a shuffle. I think they're all the right way up. Oh, no, that one's upside down. Here we go. Get ready to nod them out. Care. Fantastic. Dare. Well done. Share. Fantastic. Next one. Scare. Well done. Lots of nodding for this one. Square. Well done. Okie dokie. We have Fred talked. We've nodded the sounds out. Now we need to read them speedily. So I'll say them first. So listen carefully. Oh, that's funny. My first word is care. Carefully. Okay. Care. Dare. Share. Scare. And square. Well done. Now it's your turn. Do it by yourself as speedily as you can. See if you can keep up. Oops. Fantastic. And if it was too quick, you know what to do. You rewind and have another go. Okay, we've done all our reading. Now we need to write some green words down. So we need a pen or pencil, and you'll need your Freddy fingers ready, because remember we need to sound out the word first before we write it down. The first word I would like you to write down is care. I say, you say. Care. Care. Fantastic. And remember, we're spelling our air sounds today like this, with an A, an R and an E. So care. Sound out. And then write it down and put your sound buttons on. Care. Okay, fantastic, well done. If it's too speedy, remember, pause it and have a go, and then you can play again. Care. K, air. Care. K, air. Care. Now it's a dot for the K and a big long line for the A, R and E, because they come together to make our air sound. Care. You can tick your work or fix it if it needs fixing. And the next word I would like you to write down is share. I say, you say. Share. Share. Well done. Pinch out those sounds for share and then write it down and put your sound buttons on. Share. Okay, share. Sh, air, share. Sh, air. Okay, and sound buttons, it's going to be a line for the S and the H because they make the sh sound, and a line for our A, R, E for our air sound. Sh, air, share. Fantastic. Give yourself a tick or fix your work if you got it wrong. Well done. And give yourselves a silent cheer. Well done. And I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's lesson.